So let's run the video. So this is my friend Remy, and he is going to give me some Ethereum. He's going to give me some Ethereum. I can't wait. And that's my device over there. He's taking the QR code right off of it with the new Ledger Live, and he's going to give me $2 worth of ETH. Yes! And even better, he's going to send it to me right away because I need that $2. I have to have it. Now he takes his device, goes right there, pairs with it. It's loading. Yes, Remy. Yes, Remy. He's reviewing the transaction, taps to continue, and then he holds to then sign that transaction. It's that simple, that easy on the e-ink display that you see. So that's how it all works.